Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to go ahead and visit some night photography. So after you get done, make sure to have some dinner, make sure to grab something to drink when you go out for photographing the night sky. We're going to embrace the beauty of the night sky tonight. Now if you've never done this before, you want to take a tripod with you. Make sure to dress warmly for the weather conditions, all that good stuff, because you're going to be out there for a little bit to capture all the stars, capture anything that you see that inspires you in the night sky. Now when you do this too, you might want to go ahead and take the tripod because you got to keep a lower ISO if you're controlling these things. You can try on automatic modes as well, but usually one of the manual modes like something like a P mode for basics or manual mode for more advanced photographers would work out great. When you photograph the night sky, take a long exposure as well. Take a long shutter speed just to see what it looks like in photographs. When you find your inspiration, post up your best shot on socials and hashtag SharePictureMagazine. I look forward to seeing your work as always. I love seeing you grow, and thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe where applicable, and look forward to seeing you soon.